So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the rest of the seed starter mix from the other pack that is in here. I need to sift it, but I just want you guys to see how it is freshly from the bag. So it's nothing much in here, but I'm going to use this to sift it. So it doesn't matter the seed starter mix that you purchase, please sift it, because if you don't, this is why a lot of people, when they start their seeds, it takes forever to sprout because you have these little wood chips and little twigs and stuff in it. So it's very hard for the seeds to sprout. So the next step, this is very crucial. After you sift it, make sure you pour boiling water on it, or if you have an old oven, you can put it in the oven and cover it with aluminum foil for a few minutes, but it have to be really hot so you can kill the bugs and any fungus. So after it is cool, I'm adding a little bit of perlite. So normally I use a little bit of bone meal, but I don't have bone meal. I ordered it from Amazon. It's not here yet. So I'm going to use a little bit of this all-purpose fertilizer. And one of the ingredients they also have in it is bone meal, feather meal, blood meal. So the reason why I add a little bit of fertilizer to my mix is because I am starting pepper plants and I'm starting tomato plants. And a lot of the seeds that I'm starting, they are heavy feeders, and I'm trying to give them like a really good start so they can have a good growth and root system. And I've done this for years and it always works. And if you look at my videos, you will see how much we have been harvesting literally since 2019, since I started doing this. Now this step is very important. So after you fill the tray the first time, you want to press it down, because if you don't press it down when you put the seeds, from my experience, when you put the seeds there, it's going to, and you water it, it's going to sink down, and it would take longer for it to really sprout, for you to see it sprouting up. So I press it down the first time, and then I put dirt on top of it again. And this time around, I'm not going to press it down at all, because we already have that solid foundation first. The toothpaste. Today's the 20th, 1/20, 25, high fragrance, basil. So we're going to be planting some high fragrance basil. And all I'm doing, I'm not making like a deep hole. I'm just kind of fooling with the dirt a little bit, just to kind of give it like, you know, we're not going to put a bunch of dirt on top of it. We're just going to use the same dirt that we're moving around. So this is the basil. It smells so good. So we're just going to, oops. It's supposed to be here, not over there. Okay. Just going to sprinkle some seeds. I know it's still mixed with fragments of the basil thing. I'll try to put as much seeds as possible, because we're going to separate it once they grow. Okay, come on. All right, I think there ain't no seeds there, even though there's a lot of fragments as well, so it's kind of hard to see what's happening here. So, can you guys see? All right, let's see how this is going to grow. We're just going to sprinkle a little bit of dirt. On top of it. Making a mess. So it literally took less than 48 hours for the other basil seeds to sprout. So we'll see how long these will take, because I had them since 2023. So let's give it. See, we're not pressing it down, because when you press it down, you're not going to give the seeds room to be able to grow. So that's it for that basil. So you can see here, the lemon balm is already sprouting. And what do we have here sprouting? So we have sage. You see one sage right there, two sage. borage. I planted some borage. So let's see one there. Okay, so there's this tray. And this is exactly 4 days ago. So this tray. Let's see. So we have the thyme. We see some sprouts. You see? Let me bring it closer. That's the thyme. See, we started on in 16. See some sprouts right there. But the thyme already sprouts. And let's check out the rosemary. Rosemary usually takes a little bit more time. So we shall see what happens in the next few days. So far, I don't see anything for rosemary. So yeah, we'll see. We'll come right back up. That's the rosemary. And then let's go to this one. This tray. Look at that. Basils are just one happy plants. So which one is this? This is the giant celery. So we have here the giant celery. Here, there's no sprouts yet on the giant celery or the pink celery, but I know they're gonna start sprouting soon. So you can tell basil seeds fell right there. So all of that, that's cinnamon basil over there, and this one is this basil right here, the purple basil right here. So, and then I just planted another tray of basil, and I do have a couple of other basils that I would like to start, and I forgot to put it out there. And this basil, let me make sure this is not bleached because I accidentally did that before years ago. Oh my God, I thought I was gonna die. I sprayed all my plants with bleached water. That was 2020 when COVID was happening. So now I just show you guys the basil. We are going to take this one upstairs with their mates. Should have brought paper towel. So pretty much similar to what I did. I'm not making hole to put them in a hole because I need them to sprout as soon as possible. So I just kind of fool with the dirt a little bit. Give them a little room to just chill. And that's it. So we about to go pepper, hot pepper, hot peppers. See, this is what I do all the time. Can you guys see? I don't put like dig a hole and put it in it. No, I don't do that. Grow and sprout from those little seedlings into harvesting. It's such a good feeling. It's such a wonderful feeling. It makes me so happy. Like I cannot tell you guys how much it makes me happy. So these are Scotch bonnets from my garden. I'm going to be planting them. I got some seeds left. Okay, so today is the 20th. I'm going to put it right there. Maybe we might do 2 rows. Two things. Oh, I planted some other Scotch bonnet too on the other trays. So I don't think I need to plant a lot more here. Oh, shucks. I guess I will use these 2 trays because I didn't put some seeds. Can you guys see? Let me see if I can bring this closer. I don't know how close can I bring it. Put this down and then there. Oopsie. Okay, much better. So now you can see it a lot better. So, okay. Oh yeah, the gloves. I hate wearing these gloves. It's kind of making me to not see exactly what I'm doing. But you guys see here. So I put a couple of them each in there. And then I get a little bit of dirt and I just put on top of it. I do not, please, whatever you do, don't pat the dirt down on it at all. Don't be tempted to do it. Don't try to do it because you're going to really, really stump the growth of your babies. Okay? See? It's that easy. That's it. That's it. That's how easy it is. So put this on the side. We got some giant red chilies. So all of these, most of these seeds, I've been doing it now for 2-3 years from my own seeds, from seeds I bought 2-3 years ago. So please label. $120. Please, please, please label them. Because if you don't label, you won't know what you're planting. Especially when it comes to peppers. Because the hot peppers, you need more sun, you know. So, you label them. You guys can see. So this one, I'm going to put, when it starts to grow, you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about and how I separate them. Do not double seeds on top of each other. Make sure these are very helpful. You see, all of them have their own space. That's what you want to do. And then you get a little bit of dirt. You just dab it. That's it. They're good. Don't press it down. See there? So normally I have all my labels ready, but It's one of those days. All of these. So I'm going to be planting a lot of peppers. Lots of peppers. Let's start with some of these. Let me show you. Let me show you. And I do have a lot of peppers. My pepper seeds also. Let me show you that. I also do have a lot of my pepper seeds all in these bags down here. I labeled them. So yeah, let's do some of the very hot peppers. Let's do them. They're in the refrigerator. Okay. One, two. Since we just love hot peppers, we're gonna do 2 little things. As you can see, sometimes I just leave it like this. Look, when I'm tired, I just put it, just like that. Okay, do not dodge me. This is walk. Oops. Oh, look at this thing hot. Hey. Woo. Oh. Yeah, I'm doing the pepper seeds. Whew. That's it for that one. So it's hot. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is how we are going to do all of them now. I'm recording. What's wrong?
Can I use $5 on my 71 books
What you trying to do?
to treat myself to something?
Because you got money, right?
Yeah.
So what you asking me?
I thought you wanted me to save there or something.
No, you're gonna save about 25% of what you got. No, say 50% of what you got, because you really don't need to buy you anything much. So, and whatever you need, we buy it for you anyway. So you only save 50% of your money, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna be doing broccoli this week. I'm gonna be doing, oh my gosh, tomatoes. And I bought some tomatoes from Aldi's so we can try it from seed starting to harvest. So you guys can see as well that you can use seeds from this vegetables you buy from the store. All right. I'm not pressing this down at all. I'm just going to let it chill out. See, I'm gonna fix this. No pressing down whatsoever. Make sure the seeds are covered, but you didn't press down on it, you know? Give it room to grow. Okay, I know you guys are going to do well. Welcome to 2025 growing season. I already said a prayer, and I know you guys are going to do good. But I want you to know that I am here, okay? And I'm going to take very good care of you. You're in great hands. Welcome to 2025 growing season. So, I am done for today. We have another tray of hot peppers with bell peppers. All the good peppers are in here. So I have another tray upstairs, and this is the second tray, and I have one more tray of peppers to do. But anyway, I'm gonna put it in the greenhouse so it can start, you know, getting ready for our 2025 growing season. And this, make sure I don't close it all the way. I just keep it open like a little bit so you can get circulation. Let's go.